This week, a lot of negative things happened in the crypto market. I will discuss all of that in today's video, and most importantly, my all trade updates that I took this week, and I obviously informed you all. And what is the next move for the price of Bitcoin? Because after a small correction, we are seeing again a pump, an incessant pump towards the upside. So I will discuss all of that in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Before beginning today's video, I want to inform you guys that what is happening with the KuCoin right now, and is it a negative thing, and will KuCoin face a bank run or not. So I will discuss all of that in today's video as well, and also the picture that you saw in the thumbnail I will discuss in deep also, that what does that mean. Is it a negative side of crypto and for the Bitcoin? So currently I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and after a small correction towards the downside right here, the price of Bitcoin approximately came at this zone, and I told you already in my video that if the price of Bitcoin breaks this level right here, exact this level towards the downside, then we can see a downtrend. But the price of Bitcoin did a breakdown towards the downside, and the buyers are still in the market, and obviously the spot Bitcoin ETF buying is the result that we are seeing another pump towards the upside. So this was all an impulsive move, this was a correction, and right, another incessant move towards the upside. However, if you look closely, the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this level right here, and now it is currently in a sideways market, or I would say it is consolidating a bit right here and trying to stay above this zone right here. And well, it did a breakout, it did a retest, so definitely I am bullish on Bitcoin, but I will not enter right now because obviously the price of Bitcoin is nearly at its all-time high. I can't go short for the first reason, and going long is good, but what about the I would say the next targets, because obviously I can draw Fibonacci level and I can find the next targets, but still I'm waiting for some more extra confluence, then only I will take a trade in the price of Bitcoin. So I will wait for now. Going towards the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and I already informed you guys that this white zone is very important zone for the price of Ethereum. Well, the price of Ethereum did a breakdown of it, but it was a fake out. Not even one candle closed below this zone. This means it was a fake out, and buyers re-entered again in this zone, and obviously this means that yes, still there are buyers in the market, and for sure after this huge move there was a small correction, and then we can see another huge correction towards the upside as well. Alright, so right now I'm on the KuCoin's chart. So KuCoin also have their own native token, which is KCS KuCoin. So currently I'm on this chart, and recently a news came out. The crypto exchange KuCoin did violation of anti-money laundering laws, and obviously it was charged by the US federal prosecutors. As you can clearly see, the two founders of the KuCoin are charged with their anti-money laundering, and yeah, this is the main thing. And you can clearly see KuCoin's native token right here, KCS, dropped 5% after this news, as I already showed you in the charts. So if you are still holding any funds in your KuCoin account, I would advise you to withdraw them. Obviously it's better to withdraw them. From $14.2, the price of KuCoin fell at $11, a huge dump towards the downside. And obviously the price of KuCoin, as well as there is kind of a withdrawal run in the KuCoin's exchange. Everyone is withdrawing right now, so it's better to withdraw if you can. And yeah, this is the only safest option right now. So just stay away from the funds and don't keep your majority of your assets in any exchange. Keep it in your wallet only. So this is my Matic trade right here, and I informed you guys on my Twitter as well that I'm going long on Matic if the price of Matic comes all the way down till 0.9731 approx. And yep, I did went long on Matic, and currently the price of Matic is giving me some profits. So let's see what happens. All depends on Bitcoin only, because if the price of Bitcoin pumps, every other altcoin and major crypto will pump for sure. The main reason for me taking this trade is, first of all, the Matic's price is in an uptrend. You can clearly see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You can clearly see this is a very important support zone right here. This green zone is a very important support zone, and the price of Matic is respecting it quite nicely, I would say, from 0.9767 to 0.9297. So yeah, and also the price of Matic came down to make a higher low. This is a higher low, this is a higher high right here, this is a low, this is a higher high. I hope you know that. So I knew that after, if I find any bullish confirmation from here, then I will definitely go long on Matic, and my first target is the recent high it made at 1.2961. So yeah, this is my trade update on Matic. Currently it is going in profits. Right now I am on the auction chart, auction USDT, and I found a trade setup here also. Well, the price of auction was in a downtrend. You can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I knew that if the price of auction comes near my support zone, this purple zone is a very important support zone right here at, I would say, approx 20.124 to 18.864, and I'm using the Bybits chart right here. So there was two confluence. One was that it is a support zone, so buyers entry. Second, a higher low, a lower low has been made, so there are chances a new lower high will be made. So these kind of trades are risky because you can clearly see that I will definitely enter after this bullish candle right here. This candle I will enter, and the price of auction will definitely go and touch this white trend line of resistance. However, after it, there is no guarantee that it will do a breakout or not. Well, in this case, it did a perfect breakout. So there are two chances. Either you can trade this move when the breakout is happening, or you can take the risk and enter early. The benefit is that you will enter early and make some extra money. So that's what I did. It was a risky trade because I entered over here and there were chances that the price of auction can go all the way up till here, touch this white resistance trend line, and can again reverse back down. So this can happen, and yeah, this was a risky trade, but now the breakout is done, so I will enjoy some extra profits right here. I won't recommend you trading it. Obviously do your own analysis as well, then only take a trade. Also do your own analysis and then only take a trade right there. And at the end, I want to inform you guys my crude oil trade right here. Well, it occurred in a loss, and why I took this trade is because the price of crude oil is in an uptrend. You can clearly see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a new higher high has been made. So there are chances the price of crude oil can again come downside to make a higher low. And also this is a very important resistance right here. So if I find any bearish setup, I'll definitely take an entry, and I did find a bearish setup somewhat over here, but I waited, and this trade occurred in a loss. So it was a personal trade, and yeah, it was a small risk trade only, so no issues. I will definitely recover it in the next coming some few weeks or months when I find a new good setup right here. So currently this trade is exited in a loss, but definitely if I find any new setup, I will enter again and I will inform you guys as well. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that what happened with KuCoin and what is the best thing right now you can do to secure our funds if you use KuCoin exchange, and what is happening in the price of Bitcoin. And my analysis was, I would not say perfect, but yeah, it was quite good. And my all trade updates right there on Matic, auction, and crude oil. Crude oil did a loss, and I agree on it. So it's not a big issue because loss and profit, these are two things in the trading that always happen. But I will definitely recover it easily with proper risk and money management. So I hope you learned from this video, and don't take any trade in FOMO or greedy. I would recommend to do your own analysis and you learn from this video. And I hope you can practice now as well. I am using TradingView app, and if you want to practice trading, you can do that on TradingView. It is a free app, you can do that. Link is in the description and in the comments. And if you want to trade any crude oil or forex, you can do that on XNS. You can create an account for free and can get $1,000 bonus. So yeah, this is it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.